Hi students, today we are going to see the data warehouse and data mining unit 5. Now I am going to tell you the overall review for this unit. In this unit I expected 4 topics which is important for the university examination. That 4 topics are I underlined here. This is important topics for university examination. The first one is the data sets, that is how the data sets is represented and how we are going to implement this data set with the Veka tool. All these things is come under in the first topic. Here we have the two examples, uh, iris plant database and breast cancer database. This information with example is already given in the book. Better you take the book and study with this example. And then next topic is auto import means in this book we have given that just a conversion of ARFF file to CSV file, because in the Veka we have the two types of components, that is two types of data. One is ARFF, attribute based file format, then second one is CSV, comma separated values. So if we convert from ARFF to CSV means it is come under file conversion, that is an auto import. Then another important topic is introduction to Veka. In this Veka we have the basic components. What are the components is available for the Veka tools. The next one is exploring the explorer topic. Here we have the complete implementation of the Veka, how it is working, how the database is loaded in the Veka, then how the classifier is selected, then how the output is visualized. Everything is come under exploring the explorer. Then learning algorithms. It is also, I consider it is an important, because this learning algorithm we have the classifiers, the important classifiers is listed, then how it is working. So everything is come under this topic learning algorithm. Now just see the review of the fifth unit. In the fifth unit, I think I given these notes to in the WhatsApp group. In the first topic, we have that an example of ARFF file format with iris plant example. So already we given here. Then we have the example iris. So first topic is already is given under. In this first topic, we have the two sections. First one is header section, second one is data section. So here we are explained what is an header and what is data. So everything is explained in this topic. Then second important question is introduction to Veka. That is already given in the book. That is what are the menus and what are the components, what are the input sections are available in this Veka tool. Everything is listed in the book. The third one is exploring the explorer. This is a complete implementation of Veka tool. How we are taking the input file. It may be in CSV format or it may be in ARF format, whatever it is, or it may be taken from any database connectivity using the JDBC ODBC. So we are taking the input file and we can choose the file filter, and we are choosing the classifier, and what are the things otherwise we are getting some input file from the database. Everything is diagrammatically here mentioned. You just see the book. This photo is taken from the textbook. So you just read out the steps and also the diagrams, that will be useful for you, and also mention the classifiers, how the classifier is selecting using those buttons and menus, that and all you have to refer. So finally you will get then visualized output. So this is the overall implementation of the Veka, how the input file is taken, then how it is working, then how the final output is giving for analysis. So everything is given in this topic. Then last important topic is learning algorithm. The learning algorithm we have the important classifiers, Bayesian classifiers, that is base, trees, rules, functions, classifiers, and lazy classifiers, and last one miscellaneous classifiers. I think these classifiers I explained in the Zoom class. Uh, what are the classifiers and how it is working, and what is the importance of these classifiers? Everything I explained in the Zoom class. If you want to once again, you just text me. Then I'll give a separate video for this topic, or any other topic you want to. If we need the video, then you just text me. Then I'll put a video on that. So in this section, everything is detailedly given in the book. Then next we are see the clustering algorithm. Clustering algorithms is not that much important, and also is a very small unit. Just see a small topic. You just to study what it is. Like that, we have the association rule learners. It is also, it will come in the 2 marks or 4 marks, like that. So just read out what is association rule learners. So this is overall review for the unit 5. So here I think I given you the important questions and topics. So you study well. If you have any doubt, you just call me or message me, or if you need any topic for video, then you send me the message. I'll put a video on that. Thank you guys.